I'm going to share with you 10 business ideas that you can do at home, and we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Ideas and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched also the previous videos that I've made on online jobs that you can do from home, please click the link in the description so that you also look at those videos. Please stay to the end of this video so that you see which is the best business idea that you can do from home. I'm going to list some of the business ideas that I know and which has been working, and you can also do it. So please stay to the end of this video so that you get to know about it. And if I have not yet mentioned one of the business ideas that you're already doing it, or you know other friends of yours are doing and it's really working for them, please write them in the comments so that we also get to know about it. So the first business idea that you can do from home is computer repairs. If you know that you are a computer geek, you can start helping your friends, family and colleagues, or anyone who comes for your service while you're still at home. You don't need to go outside or go to the place of the client. You have to call, they have to call you and schedule appointment with you, and you can make money out of the computer repairs or the computer expertise that you have. The second business idea that I have for you that you can do at home is also graphic designing. Graphic designing is designing graphs, logos, business cards, and selling them online. So it is one thing that you think you need to think of it, a good design, a beautiful design, and post them in your website. And obviously anyone who likes from the website, they can buy it paying some pennies, and you can earn while you are still at home. The third business idea that I want to share with you is freelance writing. Freelance writing can be writing an ebook, writing posts for websites, making Facebook pages, Facebook posts. All of this is called freelance writing. You can be writing contents for website, for your book, for your blog. All of these are something that you can do from home. So the fourth business idea that you can do from home is also website, family website or personal website, or anything related to your field of interest. It's also called a niche website. Establishing a niche website is also something that you can do from home. It's all you need to do is post anything related, anything that you interest on your website, and you will be making money with the Google AdSense once you reach the minimum requirement of making money from your websites. It's one good idea that very many websites you see on the internet, how they generate money, that is through Google AdSense or advertising for people. So the other business idea that you can do at home is something related to YouTube channel. You can do YouTube channel from home. As you can see, I'm also doing my YouTube channel at home, and all you need to do is share your information, share your knowledge, share your expertise, and you will be making money from the YouTube AdSense or monetization program. The other business idea that I want to share with you that you can do from home is researching. You can do research for other companies who really require your help to do research. This can be market research, this can be language research, this can be extracting some information from the internet. So that's also another thing that you can do from home. The other business idea that you can do from home is posting Facebook posts, like being a Facebook consultant, or being a Facebook social media posting. There are other people just as like the celebrities or other companies or other people who have got a Facebook fans, and they can't get time to post their Facebook page. They can't update their fans, so they will be employing people who can post on their behalf, taking photos and updating their fans about what's going on and how they have been doing. or how the business has been doing. So this is also another thing that you can do. Such kind of people always employ people who can work from home. So that is also another business that you can do from home. The other business idea that I want to share with you today is providing tutorials. Online tutorials require you to have a fast internet, and it also requires you to have a computer so that you can directly talk or reach to the client or to the student from your home. So you will be communicating, providing classes through Skype or certain platform, and it's also a business idea that you can do online. The final business idea that you can do at home is Amazon FBA program. Amazon FBA program is a program whereby you can sell goods or product that you got from outside, or you have imported it through this program, and this program will allow you to bring goods from China, from anywhere you got the product, and directly send them to Amazon store, whereby they sell for you on their websites and you get your earning. So all you need to do is keep updated on which product which is of high demand for that season. People are really buying it. So that's one thing you always need to do from home, and always research which one is working in the market. So that is the final business idea that I have for you that you can do at home. If you really liked my video, please click and give me thumbs up to my video. And if I've not mentioned one of the business ideas that you or your friend is working on and is really generating money from home, please share with us so that we get to know about it. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.